Continue.
Palm Sunday.
Okay, let's go to Luke 18:9-14. This is an example of a bad man went to heaven. How come a bad man went to heaven
I remember
and
this.
a good man went to hell?
I remember this.
Okay?
remember
Bad man went to heaven.
I remember this.
You remember
I
that?
remember the video.
Oh, si mama muna.
Hey, I'm looking.
I remember the video you showed.
The parable of the Pharisee and the
nine.
tax collector.
She got the accent.
Collector.
Number
The
9.
collector.
Verse 9.
Oh, this one.
He also told his parable
Not
to
in the
some
title?
who trusted in themselves that they were righteous and regarded others with contempt.
Go.
2 men went up to the temple and to pray.
Used to be a chummy, you know.
One
One a Pharisee and the other
Pharisee.
Pharisee and other is
tax collector.
The Pharisee, standing by himself, was praying thus: God, I thank you that I am not like other people, thieves, rogues, adulterers, or even like this tax collector.
I fast twice a week. I give a tenth of my income.
But the tax collector, standing far off, would not even look up to heaven, but was beating his breast and saying, God, be merciful to me, a sinner.
I tell you, this man went down to his home justified rather than the other. For all who exalt themselves will be humbled, but all who humble themselves will be exalted.
Okay. So that's one example. For I tell you, until your righteousness exceeds that the one of the scribes and Pharisees, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven. So, an example of bad man here is the
Pharisee.
tax
Oh,
collector.
tax
How come he is bad?
Kasi
Kasi nangongolekta ng ano,
He collect tax,
tax.
and that's making the Jews poor, more poor because they can collect more tax. And on those days, tax collector are considered like a disgusting job. It's like the lowest job,
Trabaho niyo lang naman yun.
but it's not holy job. It's like against what do you call this?
They take money from the poor.
Against what is that law? Moral law. It's not moral. Remember Matthew in the chosen?
Yeah.
The parents was like, I don't have a son, right?
Yeah.
Like he was like pushed away. He was like,
It's
you know.
Matthew?
Yeah, that's Matthew. Matthew is tax collector, right?
Dare you?
Right?
It's right here. It's him.
Okay.
That one.
And a good man is the.
Pharisee.
They are so respected. They are like wearing white robes. They are so
Being
clean.
respected
And
does not mean you're good.
they are so elevated because they memorize the 613 law. They can justify if you do good or bad. They are like can judge you right away if you can die or can be saved. Right? So those are the Pharisees. They're like walking judge on the street. Okay? So because they are good,
No.
and
No.
they're respected.
No.
So it was these are the good men, but went to hell. So what was the story about? A bad man, tax collector, is praying, but how did he pray? He's so far away. So he was hidden. He was on the side or on the last because he is ashamed of himself. Why? Because of his type of job, type of human he is. They even spit to the ground when they see tax collector walking beside them. That's how they discuss the tax collector. So he treat himself as like the lowest, and he admitted that he is a sinner. So yeah, he sinned. I'm nothing, God. Have mercy on me. So that is one example in the Beatitude. What is that? What example in the Beatitude is that? Blessed are the
Meek?
meek or poor in
Spirit.
spirit. Okay? Like, you treat yourself like sinner, so they're blessed. So if you are like in that condition, it doesn't mean you did the bad thing and then be like that. Like, it's not intentional. Because you are asking for forgiveness, then you are blessed. Then says, a bad man went to heaven. Then a good man is so right, is so proud. He's so proud. I'm not like this guy. This guy is a sinner. I'm not. I'm clean. Diba? She said, I even Fast. twice a week. You know what's the law about fasting? You only the law in the Bible to fast is twice a year, during Ash Wednesday and Holy Friday. But they fast twice a week. It means they're so very good, right? Like they're like first honor in the class. They do more than the required, right? So they feel good about it, and they pay tax, the tenth. What is the tenth?
A 10?
Yeah, a
Like
tenth,
a
10%.
Yeah.
A 10%. You know when they harvest like those leaves that for the tea, they collect 1, 2, 3, 9 is for me. They separate 1 is for God. That's how they are so good in following the law. That's how the law. Everything you own, the tenth, you have to save. Yeah, you have to save it for the temple. The tenth of your harvest, the tenth of your money, the tenth of it. That is how we doing it in the church. We're growing some of our money to the church because that's in the Bible. Okay? That's how you understand it. Okay? So all your blessings are from God. 10% you have to return for the temple or for the
Why
work
10?
of God.
Why
Right?
10?
That's why in the Moses law. Right?
Why did you 10?
It's like set that by the Moses.
So why?
Right? So because you have to provide for yourself too, but you have to do your part in spreading the gospel or the Bible.
20 or 30 would have been better.
Mhm.
Not 10.
So well, 10 is only the minimum. You can do everything. Like the guy who cannot sell his all possession and follow God. Okay?
It's over.
Question. Go.
Hey,
You have a
Question.
question?
your hand is
Oh,
raised.
it's over.
Huh? What?
It's over.
The time? Are we talking that time?
Bro, just pay attention to this.
Oh,
man.
okay.
Yeah, just continue.
Okay. Continue. Okay. You want? Well, just sign me so I can like.
Yeah,
Yeah, I was just trying.
I'm just call it out.
Last na. Last. Okay. Click. So this is clear.
I don't like these laws.
Self-righteousness.
You're looking, we're not in that time.
Self-righteousness is the religion of self-achievement. Beware of feeling better than others. What is self-righteousness?
Right there.
How do you explain to yourself? Example.
Self-achievement.
What? Example. Cite an example if you understand.
Like my own self-achievement.
Yeah.
Like
Oh,
good grades.
good grace. And then, how do you feel? See, amazing. But compared to yourself to others, what is gonna do?
Put you down.
So you're gonna put other people down because you feel good about yourself, right? For example, you see a beggar. Oh, I'm better than this beggar. This beggar is dirty. I shower. It's just not bad.
Right.
But self-righteousness, beware of feeling better than others because that's gonna eat you and fill you. It's not humble. It's gonna lead you to self-righteousness, which is what the Pharisee is doing. I'm better. I fast. I give 10. I'm not even like this tax collector. See, those kind of attitude is gonna go to hell.
Pride.
Okay, pride. Pride should be replaced by humbleness, by meekness.
One of the 7
Right?
purposes.
So sometimes, that car is rusty, mine is better. So that is called self-righteousness. Why not don't say anything? It's better, right? Rather than you say, oh, I'm good looking than this guy. So that is self-righteousness. Okay? Any question?
No.
That's it. We're over.
Over.
Yeah, next time, di pa natapos, but we still have more. Let's see. The righteousness of Pharisees. Then, in 1 Samuel.
We still haven't reached
Okay.
it.
Anyway,
Eh.
maybe next time we're gonna finish it. Okay? How
Can
many
I
minutes?
have the notes
40
for the
minutes.
study?